Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the HTML basics. Specifically we are going to see about the attributes, which means the types of styles, or it may be a input value types, that kind of things will be seen in this structure. So now directly going into the structure is part. So right now I am going to use the alignment, then word colorings, and then style, which means normally the style, font style, which we going to change. So for that I have taken a title as a attributes. After that the content what we are going to use, that will be comes under your body. H1 is my heading one, which means the font one will be used, and in here style, I am going to give a color for the style. You can select your own color. So I'm going to align the wordings in the center of our page, so I have used center. So now we are going to save the file. So normally we need to save the file in a HTML format. So this is the end result which we are seeing from the Internet Explorer. So as I said, my alignment came to center, and also I have chosen a blue color, so the attributes came in a blue. And hereby, as mentioned, the structure has been executed. Thank you. Hope you understand. I think so. See you in next video. Have a next day. Nandri Vanakkam.